coming in. Viewers, as of now, the Maharashtra government has now, after a meeting that was underway, hinted there is possibility there will be a 15-day lockdown in the state. The cabinet meeting has now ended. We'll quickly get you more reports on that. But clearly, after the cabinet meeting that was underway, a decision on the lockdown had to be taken. And now we are getting the news. Maharashtra cabinet meeting has ended. The Maharashtra government has hinted there is a possibility of a 15-day further lockdown. Viewers, as we continue getting reports from across the country, remember it's Maharashtra and the capital that are the worst hit states. There seems to be a shortage of hospital beds, oxygen masks and medicines and profiteering that's happening in Maharashtra. Yesterday, the Bombay High Court Nagpur bench pulled up the Maharashtra state. Today, the Maharashtra cabinet meeting that has ended has possibly hinted. Let me quickly go across to Yesha, who's joining us now. Yesha, what is the latest you've picked up from the cabinet meeting that has just ended?
What we know right now is that this development comes a day after yesterday there were these restrictions that were put in place. Wherein the timings of particular essential service commodities, which includes markets, also vegetable and fruit sellers, were cut down for 4 hours in a day. But right now, considering that there has been not a decline in the number of COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra, we've seen that constantly it is around 60,000 over the last 2 to 3 weeks, which is why there might be a strict lockdown which will be imposed from tomorrow onwards for the next 15 days. Now, this is important to understand because only essential services, which includes medical services and fruits and vegetable sellers, will be allowed to operate. Right now, what we see is there's certain leeway which has been given to various industries, which includes the hotel industry as well, wherein the delivery services are allowed, as well as we see certain modes of transport which are allowed to operate for public on the other hand. But right now, if this restriction is put in place, there can be a complete lockdown, like a complete lockdown scenario which happened around a year back. Because right now what we see is there are certain curfews which are imposed, also a weekend curfew is imposed. The kind of restrictions that are there over the weekend can also be imposed over the weekdays. So but there's no clarity on this as of now from the CMO's office, which is why these are the preliminary information that we got from the cabinet meeting which took place. Over the last 2 to 3 weeks, we've seen that there have been constant meetings that are taking place to understand and modify the rules of the curfew and the lockdown. But there's been very little change in the number of COVID cases that we observe, because while there was a slight dip yesterday as compared to Sunday, like Sunday there was around 63,000 cases.
I'm just interrupting you for a minute. Yes, we're also getting Yesha Aslam Sheikh's reaction, and I'm just going to go across to him. After that, I'll come back to you. The minister who's hinted there could be a possible lockdown. Listen in.
आज मंत्रिमंडल में बहुत चर्चा हुई और उस चर्चा में महाराष्ट्र की परिस्थिति को ध्यान में रखते हुए, जिस तरीके से महाराष्ट्र में ऑक्सीजन की कमी है और महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने जो है केंद्र सरकार से ऑक्सीजन की मांगनी की है और उसके हिसाब से वो दे भी रहे, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं पूरी नहीं हो रही है और आने वाले दिनों में महाराष्ट्र में ऑक्सीजन की बहुत कमी हो सकती है। तो वो सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रख के महाराष्ट्र जो है वो पूरे लॉकडाउन की तरफ जा रहा है।
गाइडलाइंस कब तक आने वाली लॉकडाउन को लेकर सर?
इसके सिलसिले में जो है गाइडलाइंस बन जाएगी और आपको बताया जाएगा। और आज जिस तरीके से वैक्सीनेशन के बारे में भी बताया गया कि महाराष्ट्र सरकार को पहले ये कहा गया था कि वैक्सीनेशन दे नहीं पा रहे, और महाराष्ट्र सरकार जब अपने सेंटर्स बहुत ज्यादा पूरे महाराष्ट्र भर में बना दिए, उन्होंने जिले जिले में बना दिए, तो जितनी वैक्सीनेशन होनी चाहिए उतनी वैक्सीनेशन हो नहीं रही है। इसलिए महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने जो है केंद्र सरकार से महाराष्ट्र सरकार बाहर से वैक्सीनेशन ले सके, ऐसी उन्होंने एक रिक्वेस्ट भी की है।
सर, आम जनता इस वक्त कैसी तैयारी करे? आपने कहा लॉकडाउन की तरफ हम जा रहे हैं, आम जनता को क्या संदेश देंगे इस वक्त? क्या होगा?
देखिए, पिछली बारी जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था तो एकदम ही अचानक से सोच विचार नहीं किया गया था और लॉकडाउन हुआ था। इस बारी हमने जब जो नए गाइडलाइंस लाए हैं, सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रखते लाए। हमने ना तो बसेस बंद की है, ना तो ट्रेन बंद की है। आने वाले दिनों में भी इसी तरीके का होगा कि किसी को आने जाने में कोई तकलीफ नहीं।
आने वाले घंटों में लॉकडाउन का अनाउंसमेंट कर सकते हैं? कब तक लॉकडाउन का अनाउंसमेंट होने वाला है?
आने वाले कुछ ही घंटों में आपके सामने सारी चीजें आ जाएंगी।
And Yasha's back with us. Yasha, we just heard Aslam Sheikh. There's also some reactions that are coming in Marathi. It is very clear today there's an order that's come out from the Maharashtra government easing some sort of restrictions and saying what other steps can be taken. However, they're also hinting now, after the cabinet meeting has ended, there's a possibility of a further lockdown. Give us more details, Yasha.
That's right. So what we understood from the Guardian Minister of Mumbai, Aslam Sheikh, what he said was that in the next few hours from now is what we'll get to know of the lockdown. Because last time it was when the lockdown was announced, it was a very random decision that was taken, and which is why now it will be a proper phased lockdown. There's been discussions that has taken place in the cabinet meeting that took place which started at around 3:30 p.m. Which is why now what we also get to know from our sources is that the restriction will be for approximately 15 days from now. That is, the lockdown will be for 15 days. This development comes because what we've seen is there have been constant reports that there is a shortage of oxygen as well as beds for COVID-19 patients in Maharashtra. In fact, even in Mumbai, there were certain reports which said that there were very few ICU beds which were available as of now, which is why a lockdown has become the only option with the government right now.